Hi there, my name is Coach Amanda and this is my best pal Logan.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday.
Tip Tuesday. Today we are going to talk about salad dressings. We have two kinds here, fatty or creamy, and vinaigrettes, lighter dressings. We're going to talk about how they pair with all different kinds of salad greens. And Logan and I are going to play a little game with it to make it a little easier to help you remember, okay? You ready to help me? Can you pick out one of the salad greens? Oh, good. So Logan picked out iceberg lettuce. This is probably the most common. It's a little on the bland side, but crunchy. Any dressing works with this. That's the good news. The bad news is this doesn't have a huge, or rather really much of any nutritional content. So you definitely want to pair this with some good veggies in your salad. But since it can go anywhere, we're going to put it over here with one of the vinaigrettes. Logan is moving on. Awesome. What did you get here? So Logan picked up kale next. Kale is a rough and sturdy sort of a lettuce, right? So it needs like a really strong acidic vinaigrette to break down the cellular structure, or in other words, just to soften the leaves a little bit for you. This is one you can actually leave the dressing on for a few minutes before you dig in. So if this goes with an acidic vinaigrette, I'm thinking maybe right here with maybe lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil. Good?
Yeah.
Okay, pick out another one.
How about speed? No addition.
Oh, that's a great choice. This is Swiss chard, and the reason that I like that he picked this next is because it's very similar to kale. It's still tough, and you need an acidic vinaigrette to soften those leaves. So we want to put that here with maybe a balsamic vinaigrette and an olive oil. How about another one?
Next I want
Oh, you're going for this one. This is a very healthy choice, Logan. This is spinach.
Oh, I love spinach.
I love spinach too, but if you look at spinach the wrong way, it wilts, right? So in general, you want to keep your dressings kind of on the lighter side, especially those baby spinach leaves, those little ones. You want to use like a vinaigrette, like a light one for that, right? Now, if you have an older, bigger leaf, you can go with a creamier or fatter one. Any dressing made with bacon is perfect because there's something magical that happens with spinach and bacon, right?
Ooh.
Yeah, so we're gonna put that right there because sometimes you'll get like a buttermilk bacon flavored ranch, and that's a good pair. This one, this is radicchio. Can you say radicchio? It sounds ridiculous, but actually it's very middle of the road. This is nothing too light, nothing too thick on this as a salad dressing. It sounds funny, right? So you can pair this one with something like a honey mustard, right there.
Yummy.
Yum. Pick out another one.
How about, oh, this one looks good.
That one does look good. Now this is something that you probably see mixed in with other things, like, well, this is called watercress. This is a medium-bodied green with sort of a peppery flavor to it. It can hold its own, so you want to go for a fat buttermilk ranch kind of a dressing on that one. Sound good? So we'll put that there with the buttermilk ranch. Let's get another one. This one, oh, very, very common. This one is romaine lettuce. Now we know this one typically pairs well with Caesar dressing. This is basically as versatile as iceberg lettuce is, but it's got a little bit more nutritional punch to it. This can go with any dressing. This is, let's put this with, how about this one? A vinaigrette's good, right? You know what? I changed my mind. It goes with any dressing. I want to put it with the honey mustard. Right? Go ahead, pick another one. This one is called Endive. Endive has kind of bitter leaves, guys, so these are heavy. You need something thick and creamy to really give it some punch. Blue cheese or ranch. Got two left. That one? Oh, this is a...
That one has a rubber band.
Now this one looks a lot like one of the other ones that we've dealt with. This is arugula. Arugula will wilt under a thick dressing. You definitely want to keep it light on this one. So something that'll bring out the peppery flavor, but not kill the crispiness. So let's say one of the vinaigrettes here. Something kind of light. And last but not least, This is one of my favorites. This is called Bibb lettuce, and it's in that Boston or butter lettuce family. This is dainty, and it needs a delicate dressing, guys. A vinaigrette, something nice and light, like a peach vinaigrette.
There's only 2 on the peach.
There's
3
only-
on the... What is that?
This is a vinaigrette too. So it's good to go with vinaigrettes, is what Logan is saying.
What's this?
This is the ranch. So
3
and 2 left. But if you're not a dressing person at all, fear not. We have one last thing that you can put with your no dressing dressing. This is baby beet leaves. These go well with things like salted cheese, like feta, fresh herbs like a mint, or a little platter with like almonds on it.
I love mint.
I do too. So there you have it, guys. There's everything you need to know, for the most part, about salad dressings. We hope that you enjoyed this, and we'll see you again next week on Food Tip Tuesday.
Bye.